Hiccup trip.
Careful, careful.
You got this, Horton.
Yes!
It didn't fall! My turn.
Look out!
Oops, sorry.
Lenny, were you always pink?
No. It's because I have the hiccups. It's this thing that happens sometimes. Every time I hiccup, I change color. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
See?
Well, orange fur really works for you.
Yeah, but these hiccups don't. And they'll only go away if something really scares me. And nothing scares me.
Nothing, huh? Not even...
Love that mask, Horton.
Lenny, behind you!
Ah, cute snake.
A snake? Where? Oh, yeah, I put that there. Wow, you're really hard to scare, Lenny.
I told you nothing scares me. Well, except these terrifying creatures that live in the cave of Kazoom. But other than that, nothing.
I've got it! You just need to go to that cave so those creatures can scare you.
But how am I gonna get there with these hiccups?
Lenny, I hear you and I can help. We'll go with you to the cave of Kazoom.
You will?
Elephant's honor.
And bird's word.
La da 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 da, we are gonna help. La da 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 da, we are gonna help. You don't need to worry, we'll help you in a hurry. Hurry! La da 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 da, we are gonna help.
So you're telling me there's only one thing in the whole jungle that scares you?
Yep.
But this jungle's full of scary stuff. See? Oh, great. A huge canyon that's impossible to cross. We'll never make it to that cave now. Unless maybe I can fly over it. Nope. Still can't fly.
There's gotta be a way across.
I'm telling you, Horton, there's no way. It's not like the answer to our problem is just gonna drop out of the sky.
Excuse me? A spider's gotta bounce. Whee!
Cool webs.
Oh, bouncy!
They are bouncy. Excuse me, mind if we use your webs?
Of course! They're all yours!
Thanks. Even helpers need a little help sometimes. Come on, let's bounce.
Let's what now?
Watch this.
Make it stop!
Samson, check me out!
Oh, no!
Horton, hold on, Lenny, I'm coming. Gotcha. Hang on.
Wow, that was so
Scary!
fun!
Fun? That was terrifying! Your hiccups have to be gone now. Unbelievable.
Come on, the cave's this way.
Hi, little bee.
Oh, look, lions. Hi, lions.
Horton,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Samson, what's wrong?
I know those lions. They're always in a bad mood. We can't let them see us.
Uh-oh, we have to warn Lenny. Psst, over here.
Lenny! Hey, Lenny! Oh, no! Lenny's a goner! Huh? Wait, it's like the lion didn't even see her.
The lion didn't see her because her green fur blended in with the grass.
But what about us, Horton? We're not green. And I'm too cute to face a lion with a bad attitude.
We just need to blend in too. Okay, just act like a bush and everything will be fine.
Not now, buddy. Shoo!
Come on, Lenny, let's go this way.
No hiccups, no hiccups. Hi there, lions. Any chance you all are in a good mood today? Nope, didn't think so.
Run!
We're going faster and faster the further we go.
We're going faster and faster, 'cause both of us know.
We got a friend in need, and so we're speeding. See into it, you succeed. Until we do, we'll never slow. Faster we go! Come on, let's go even faster! Faster and faster, as fast as we can. We're going faster and faster.
Top speed is our plan.
We got a friend in need, and so we're speeding. See into it, you succeed. Until we do, we'll never slow. Faster we go!
Faster we go.
Faster we go, 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 go!
Woo! I can't believe we got away from those lions.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah!
And we're almost at the cave. All we gotta do is climb this.
You mean that ginormous cliff? Impossible! Not a chance! Can't be done!
Samson's right. We can't climb all the way up there. Or bounce all the way up either. Guess I'll be stuck with these hiccups for ever.
No, we're not giving up. I meant what I said, and I said what I meant. I promise to help, 100%. There's gotta be a way up this cliff.
But how, Horton? That's the scariest cliff I've ever seen! And I've seen a lot of scary cliffs!
Maybe there's something in the backpack that can help. Tennis racket, flashlight, caramel apple. Whoops.
Hey, I was gonna eat that! Good thing I packed more. So sweet, so caramelly, so sticky. Whoa!
Sticky. Hey, maybe those apples can help us.
What are we gonna do? Use caramel apples to climb the cliff?
Exactly.
What? I was kidding, Horton. That'll never work.
Wow, the caramel apples are working.
Of course they are. I'm a genius. A hungry genius.
We got this. We'll be at the top in no time. We just gotta keep going. Oh, hi there.
Yep, whatever you do, don't think about falling. Oh, I thought about falling! Here, take my caramel apple. Horton. Oh no. Look out!
Whoa!
Phew. Okay, Samson, go to your happy place. Go to your happy place. Go to your... Ah! This is not my happy place!
Don't worry, Samson. We're almost at the top.
Ah! Whoa, I've got you, Lenny!
Nice caramel apple catch, Horton.
How did that not scare you?
We made it!
Solid ground! Oh, let's never be apart again.
Well, we made it to the cave.
Oh, right. The cave with the super scary creatures inside. You know what? Why don't you two go ahead? I'll hang here and eat my caramel apple.
We can do this. It'll be less scary if we're together. Come on, Lenny. Let's go get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, hey, you cute little...
Protect me, Samson!
From what? Where is it?
The most terrifying creatures in the whole jungle of Nool!
You mean the butterflies?
They're so flappy.
Huh. Guess everyone's afraid of something.
Wait, Lenny, look! You're back to your normal color!
I am. Which means my hiccups are gone!
Yes!
Woohoo!
We did it!
That's Hickles! Huh, I guess they aren't that scary.
Now come on, let's go back home.
Finally feel like me again. Thanks for helping me get rid of my hiccups.
Anytime.
No problem. Let's just hope no one else gets hiccups for a long time. Oh no! This is a disaster! I'm gonna have the hiccups forever and ever and... Ah! Look at that! My hiccups are cured.